Hello everybody, and welcome to Chef on a Boat, where I'll show you how to create large flavors in small spaces. Today we'll be making a blackberry habanero barbecue sauce. It's really my go-to barbecue sauce for burgers, brisket, spare ribs, chicken, really anything you can grill or cook up. This barbecue sauce is perfect for it. So let's go ahead and get started on this.
It all starts with the blackberries and some habaneros to add a little heat to the barbecue sauce. But first, we need to smash some garlic. And add the garlic to the pot with some onions, sauteing the onions until they're softened. About 6 minutes.
These are not your regular chili peppers, so I would strongly suggest using precautions. Actually, you don't really need the glasses, but I would strongly suggest wearing gloves when you're cutting these peppers.
They may look small, but they pack plenty of punch. I removed the ribs and seeds, which carry the most spice in these chilies. But don't worry though, the habaneros will still add some nice heat to the barbecue sauce. You want to add the habaneros to the pan and saute for a couple more minutes before adding the rest of the ingredients. Coffee adds another layer of flavor and really helps to bring out the depth of this sauce. I just love how the flavor of fresh blackberries pairs so nicely with grilled meats. You can also substitute honey for the brown sugar. For me, liquid smoke is a must. It adds a great smoky flavor to the barbecue sauce. Once all the ingredients are in, turn the heat to low, cover, and let simmer for about an hour. And after an hour, it looks great. Next step, pureeing. Finally, I'm going to strain it through a fine mesh strainer to make it nice and smooth. And we're done. You'll love this barbecue sauce on ribs, burgers, steaks, briskets, and more.
If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, bon appetit.